Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 16,000 milliamp hour powered lunchbox. This is cool. If you've ever wanted to have your lunch heated while you're on a job site, perhaps sending your kids to school, keeping things warm, or just cooking it on the go, one of these is an absolutely fantastic idea. Loving a lot of the features about this one, and I wanted to kind of go over some of those with you. One is that it does come with its own power adapter. They simply plug into the side, and that will of course charge this up and allow you to see the battery indicator on there. It does have a nice inner piece here that is a stainless, along with the leak-proof lid that's sealed really well on there. A lot of these don't seal as well. This has a really nice leak-proof seal built into that, so that way you can easily suction down on there and keep all of your goodies where they're supposed to be. So loving that, easy to wash that. And this, of course, is going to be the hot plate in the bottom. The controls on this are really kind of neat too, because we've done several of these. This is kind of one that actually has a color coordinated design here on the on this here. It shows you the battery percentage level comes on. You can set it to warm up 122 degrees. You can adjust the temperature on this as well, all the way up to warm on down to 104, looks like up to about 158, or you can just go over here to set temperature and actually cook things and adjust the temperature 158, 176, 194, 212 degrees. That's going to be a hot box for sure. You also can go ahead and set some timers. You can adjust those. This timer here will go all the way from 30 minutes up to 4 hours, so you can adjust that as well, and then simply push the power button and it starts to go. So you got a lot of versatility with this. You can schedule cooks on this to get this ready to go, and should last a number of times heating your food with that 16,000 milliamp hour battery. Does have a couple of other neat features. One is the quad locking lid. Some of these only come with a couple of lid options. This one here actually locks in 4 separate places, making sure that stays nice and secure. Nice handle and built-in compartment with included utensils. So that's really nice. You obviously can provide your own utensils if you wanted to, but why would you want to? Because they're going to provide them for you. In addition to that, one of the other neat features I've seen on this particular one that I haven't seen on some of the others is it does come with a car adapter. So if you're going to be traveling for construction or going to be traveling out on the road, this allows you to plug this into your car and charge this up on the go, or just plug it in and use it while you're in the car, which is another really nice feature if you're traveling in the car, RV, whatnot. Does come with a nice instruction guide and a really nice carrying bag. This carrying bag is actually an insulated bag to help kind of extend the life of this heated apparatus here. You can put this in here, really nice fit, then simply seal it up, and then you have additional pockets on the side here. You can unzip and store other things in the side, mesh pockets on the side here as well, and then of course it all has a nice Velcro hook and loop sealed handle and an over-the-shoulder bag, so that if you need to throw this over a workbench or send it with your kids to school, it gives them a lot of versatility as far as being able to bring that standard size lunchbox with it. This would make a great addition for anyone's home.